Hey, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can send money through Remitly. So let's start the video. First of all, you need to install this app from Play Store and Apple Store. After downloading, you need to open the app. First you need to select the language. You can select the language from here. I will select English, then continue. Send money worry free, trusted over 5 million people. Alright, okay, then we will click on sign up. Then where do you want to send money from? Okay, I will select my country here, and then to I will send money to India. I will select, all right, and then next, continue. Then you need to enter the email ID, password, and then confirm, and then click on sign up. After successfully sign up, you need to sign in again. Just enter your email ID, password, and then click on login. Then protect your information and sign in faster with Face ID. You have to enable your Face ID, and then you need to allow the notification if you want. I will don't allow, and then all right, then you will see the interface like this. After sign up, you can see the contacts here, you can see your rewards here, and manager. For sending, you need to click on start sending. Then you will see here you send. I will send in dollars. For example, I will send $1,000. Okay, so I will receive 94,900 in INR, in Indian currency, rupees. And down you can see the exchange rate. $1 is equals to 94.90 NIRI. Then you need to select the payment method like debit card and bank account. With debit card, arrive instantly. Bank accounts arrive 3 to 6 days, and other option. Okay, so here I will select bank account. Okay, then you will see the fee 0, discount. You will get the discounts also here, and then click on continue. Delivered method, you have UPI online method and bank deposit, and you have a cash pickup method also. You can use this one also. So I will use bank deposit, and then click on continue. Then select your recipient bank. I will select my bank. Then you need to enter your account number and then click on continue. Then you need to enter first recipient first name and last name, and then click on continue. Then you need to enter recipient mobile number. Here you need to enter recipient bank account number, recipient bank name, and mobile number. So I will add the mobile number and then click on continue. Then you have to select the reason of sending. So you will see my NRE NRO account, saving, family support, real estate, education. So I will select here saving and family support. Okay, then continue. Then sender details, you need to enter your detail here, name, last name, and date of birth. Then click on continue. Then you need to enter sender address, street address, apartment, city, state, zip code, and then click on continue. After that, you need to enter sender mobile number. So I will select the state from here first, country code, and then mobile number. Then click on continue. Then confirm payment method. So I will use here add new card. So I will pay by card. Then I need to enter my card details here. As you can see, your name appears here, expiry month and year, CCV code, card number, and then click on review details. And then next you will see your name, amount, your reference number, and down you can say it's in process. and after some time you can see it's delivered. In this way you can easily send money using Remitly. Thanks for watching.